Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Hey everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Splendid Feet, and to this video I will take you to the most wonderful nature here in Ireland. Powerscourt Waterfall is a beautiful natural attraction set in the foothills of Wicklow Mountains near the town of Enniskerry. Only 5 kilometers from Powerscourt House and Gardens, the waterfall is Ireland's highest at 121 meters and has attracted visitors for over 200 years. And by the way guys, if you are new to my channel, please welcome here, and if you are here already, welcome back again guys. And please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and especially if they are a travel lover, please share it with them and hit that notification there so you will be notified on my next vlog. So how to get there to Powerscourt Waterfall? If you are a tourist here in Ireland and you are not driving a car, you can just ride a bus going to Bray Station or a commuter train going to Bray Station, and from there you can just download the app of My Taxi or just call a taxi, and it costs less than €30 going to Powerscourt Waterfall. Powerscourt Waterfall is one of the most popular places to visit in Enniskerry. It is really a great sight to see. And this is also the location shooting of the movie Braveheart. And it is also the tallest waterfall in Ireland. It's just really a jaw-dropping beauty, and you can get to the falls as close as you want. But first, you pay the entrance at the gate per person, but we have family, so I get a family ticket. And go early in the morning to avoid traffic. It's about an hour and a half drive from Dublin. The waterfall itself is stunning and the grounds are well maintained. Okay. Huh? Look at that. Huh?
Come and fly